Alright, we got a Classen 150 kilowatt unit here consisting of an Isuzu and a Stanford generator. We're going to go through the startup procedure and bleeding the fuel on initial startup and anytime you do filter changes. So, initial startup, once you finish filling up the fuel tank, we've got a primary pump right here and we've got a bleeder screw located just above it. The pump you unscrew and it will pump. And once you've got clean fuel, no more air coming out the bleeder screw, you can tighten the bleeder pump back up again. Going back to the control panel, as far as the startup procedures go, we've got the main power on off right there. We've got the speed control for 60 hertz and 50 hertz. And we've got the Dynagen controller, and we've got the voltage adjustment as needed for the different cycles. So this unit, once energized, will go through a startup procedure. It will go through a warm-up, and it does have a 3 to 5 minute shutdown, cool down procedure also, as far as shutting it down through the Dynagen. It can be shut down in an emergency case through the on-off power supply here, which will shut it down right away. All right, we're going to go through the startup procedure. This engine has been running. It is still cold, but we'll go through it here. Main power switch on. Once the unit is running, the Dynagen will cycle through temperatures, oil pressures, voltage, and amps. You don't need to press any of the buttons. It will just go through that automatically. For startup, your powers are on, the screen is lit. All you need to do is press the run button and it will cycle through the glow plugs and start up. It does have a 5 minute cycle down for cool down, and in this case we just shut it down on the emergency shutdown.
Okay.
Good. And we also have the Hertz control. This unit will only adjust once it is in the off position. In order to change it, you must shut it down, bring it down to 1500, and then the next time it starts up, it will start up at 1500 max, 50 hertz. And then go through your voltage adjustment to bring it down to what voltage you need.
Okay, well, why don't we try that out?
Sure. there you go. Startup procedure on an Isuzu 150 kilowatt generator unit.